Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed, here to demonstrate how to make a salty dog. First, take your bucket glass or your highball glass, put some salt on the rim. And this is basically a Greyhound with salt on the rim. A Greyhound is either vodka or gin with grapefruit juice. The original recipe called for gin, so we'll do that. So fill your glass with ice. Now it's 1.5 ounces of gin or vodka, depending on your customer's preference. 1.5 ounces. You can use your jigger if you like. I like to free pour. And grapefruit juice, just fill it. A couple straws. And you can garnish it with a lime wedge. And that's it, a salty dog. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, head over to bartender-themed. We carry a full line of sweatshirts, hoodies, hats, t-shirts, and tank tops. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.